Types of snakes with pictures. Do the cold, creepy crawlers called snakes interest you? If yes, then let's quietly slither our way through some interesting information on the types of snakes along with some amazing pictures of these fascinating reptiles. Snake, a messenger of doom for the uninformed. On the flip side, one of the most magnificent wonders of nature. From ancient myths and folklore to documentaries and motion pictures, snakes have always been a much talked about phenomenon and a strong center of attention for reptile enthusiasts. These cold blooded creatures not only don an air of mystery and uncertainty in their appearance, but their very existence remains an unsolved puzzle. As many as 2,900 species of serpents are known to wriggle in every corner on the earth except for Antarctica. For most, these many snakes could only mean a cauldron of deadly venom. But believe it or not, most types of snakes are non-venomous. Furthermore, snakes that possess venom use it to kill and subdue their prey and less commonly for self-defense. Different types of snakes with their pictures. Let's take a look at the different families of snakes and understand a few basic facts about them. Elapidae, elapids. The Elapidae family comprises the most venomous species of snakes in the world. These snakes, elapids, are mostly found in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. An important characteristic feature of the elapids is their fixed, hollow fangs, which are used to inject venom. Their venom is neurotoxic, which causes severe damage to nervous tissues, and thus it can be potentially deadly. Some popular snake species in the Elapidae family are black mamba, Indian cobra, king cobra, Cape cobra, green mamba, Egyptian cobra, red spitting cobra, Mozambique spitting cobra, inland taipan. The most venomous land snake in the world, king cobra, scientific name Ophiophagus hana, red spitting cobra, scientific name Naja pallida, black mamba, scientific name Dendrospis polylepis, Indian cobra, scientific name Naja naja Texas, coral snake, scientific name Micrus tenor, eastern green mamba, scientific name Dendrospis angusticeps, Cape cobra, scientific name Naja nivea, red-bellied black snake, scientific name Pseudacus porphyriacus, western green mamba, scientific name Dendrospis viridis, Egyptian cobra, scientific name Naja haje, snouted cobra, scientific name Naja haje annulifera, viperidae, vipers. The important family of venomous snakes is Viperidae. Snakes in this family, vipers, are known for their long, hinged, hollow fangs. Unlike the elapids, which have fixed fangs, the vipers have fangs that can retract and extend. When inactive, these fangs stay folded back against the roof of the snake's mouth. When the mouth opens, the fangs extend and get into a biting position. Commonly known vipers include copperheads, rattlesnakes, water moccasin, bushmaster russells, viper, saw-scaled viper, temple viper, gaboon viper, rhinoceros viper, copperhead, scientific name Agkistrodo, contortrix, puff adder, scientific name Bithis eritans, gaboon viper, scientific name Bithis gabonica, water moccasin, scientific name Agistrodo, piscivorous western diamondback rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus atrox, rhinoceros viper, scientific name Bithis nasicornis, red diamond rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus ruber, eastern diamondback rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus edmontus, South American bushmaster, scientific name Lachesis muta, rough-scaled bush viper, scientific name Aethris hispida, timber rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus horridus, eyelash viper, scientific name Bothrichis sclegale, common European adder, scientific name Vipera berus, black-tailed rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus molossus, temple pit viper, scientific name Tropidolemus wagleri, mojave rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus sculatus, Pacific rattlesnake, scientific name Crotalus oregonus, colubridae, colubrids. The colubridae family comprises snakes, colubrids, most of which are non-venomous or possess venom that is too weak to cause any harm to human life. However, there are some exceptions, such as the boomslang and twig snake, whose bites have been reported to cause fatalities. Colubrids have their fangs located not at the front of the mouth but angled at the back. Hence, they are also noted as rear-fanged snakes. Unlike the elapids and vipers, the fangs of the colubrids are not hollow but simply grooved to channel the venom when a bite is laid. The family of colubrids is known as the largest family of snakes, some common examples of which include scarlet snake, corn snake, desert king snake, California king snake, western coachwhip, rough green snake, ribbon snake, red milk snake, gray-banded king snake, king rat snake, Baird's rat snake, black rat snake. Southern black racer scientific name, Coluber constrictor, Prepus coast garter snake scientific name, Thamnophis elegans terrestris banded water snake scientific name, Nerodia fasciata common garter snake scientific name, Thamnophis surtles red-tailed green rat snake scientific name, Goniosoma oxyphyllum corn snake scientific name, Pantherphis guttatus blue-striped ribbon snake scientific name, Thamnophis soritus Nitae bull snake scientific name, Pichuphis kitenifersae desert king snake scientific name, Lamprepeltis getula splendida red milk snake scientific name, Lamprepeltis triangulum cispilla Taiwanese beauty rat snake scientific name, Orthreophis tenura freese California king snake scientific name, Lamprepeltis getula californiae grape banded king snake scientific name, Lamprepeltis alterna flatbread snake scientific name, Oxybilis fulgidus western coachwhip scientific name, Masticophis flagellum tistus pacific gopher snake scientific name, Pichuphis kitenifer speckled king snake scientific name, Lamprepeltis getula Holbrookie, Texas, indigo snake scientific name, Drymarchomelanorus erbanus, western hognose snake scientific name, Heterodon nasicus black rat snake scientific name, Pantherphis obsoletus green vine snake scientific name, Ahitulla nasuta brown vine snake scientific name, Oxybilis aeneus yellow rat snake scientific name, Elef obsoleta quadrivitata tiger snake scientific name, Telescopus semiannulatus boomslang scientific name, Dyspholidus typus Bodai. This family comprises non-venomous but big and powerful constrictors, which can swallow a fully grown buck apart from other large animals. These snakes rely on their strength to suffocate their prey, unlike the venomous ones which use venom as their primary weapon. They do not have fangs but rows of teeth in their upper and lower jaws. It is quite interesting to know how these large reptiles kill their prey. When they coil around their prey, they seem to tighten their grip every time the prey breathes out. Furthermore, they also know when it's time to stop working on their death squeeze. Scientists say snakes can sense their prey's heartbeat and let go when it stops. Some popular examples of Boidae family include anaconda, emerald tree boa, rosy boa, yellow snake anaconda scientific name, Unates murinus emerald tree boa scientific name, Corylus caninus rosy boa scientific name, Lichanura triviragata yellow snake, Jamaican boa scientific name, Epicrates subflavus Pythonidae similar to the Boidae family. The Pythonidae family also comprises large non-venomous snakes, which kill their prey by constriction. Most people easily confuse between pythons and boas. While they are similar looking and have almost the same feeding habits, there are certain characteristic features that set them apart. Pythons are oviparous or egg-laying reptiles, while most boas give birth to live young, oviviviparous ones. The geographical distribution of pythons is different from or less extensive than that of boas. Common examples of pythons include reticulated python, Burmese python, the African rock python, green tree python, white-lipped python, ball python, carpet python, reticulated python. Scientific name: Python reticulatus. Burmese python. Scientific name: Python molurus bivitatus. African rock python. Scientific name: Python sabe. Green tree python. Scientific name: Morelia viridis. Ball python. Scientific name: Python regius. Hydrophidae. Hydrophidae could be a subfamily of Elapidae according to some taxonomists. The family comprises sea snakes, which are extremely venomous but account for rare human encounters. Their venom contains neurotoxins and mycotoxins and is considered to be more potent than land snakes. This family again could be subdivided into the Hydrophinae and Laticodinae. Note that the association of Hydrophidae to Elapidae is an inconclusive subject. Some taxonomists consider it to be a subfamily of the Elapidae, while some continue regarding it as a different species of venomous snakes altogether. Common examples in this family include Belcher's sea snake, spiny-headed sea snake, olive sea snake, spiny-tailed sea snake, turtle-head sea snake, beaked sea snake, yellow-bellied sea snake, yellow-lipped sea crate. The Arabian Gulf sea snake. Although non-venomous snakes are harmless, even venomous snakes pose no threat to human beings unless they are provoked. In fact, all creatures in the animal kingdom do not bear any grudge against mankind. If we give them their space and let them be, they do not have any reason to reciprocate this feeling.